Well, as you can see, weather's turned this morning, but hopefully not for long. Off to Inverness, Tongue. Okay, so here we are in Lochinver. I think it's Sunday morning. Lovely place, really nice place. So today we are not quite sure what we're doing today. We're going to end up, we think, in Inverness. We've got somewhere booked in Inverness. But there was a conversation last night as to whether we stay high and stay at Wick, or whether we go to Inverness. I think the betting is we're going to go to Inverness, but the question is how we get there. The plan was go to Inverness, Tongue, and then go south through Scotland down to Inverness, because the A9 is meant to be crap and boring down the east coast. Then we were talking about going to John Groats, because we hadn't planned to do that. I personally think I'm going to do that, because the plan is if we want to go to John Groats, obviously you can. We don't want to. The plan is to meet in Inverness, so we're not quite sure, but anyway, look at this. Isn't that cool? We were even watching deer down here last night. There's a famous hot tub. In the distance there is Sylvie. I think it's Sylvie, something like that. Sullivan even, the mountain. Even we can walk up there, we were told last night by two girls. Anyway, another good day of riding today. It's just awesome up here. Awesome. Anyway, I'm not sure if the videos are working. I've got a new 360. It seems, I'm not convinced it's actually recording properly, because we can't view it on the GoPro itself. It's a can't view image, so don't know. Anyway, we'll see what we've got when we get back at the end of the trip. Have a good day, get yourself up here, speak soon, cheers. At least the sun shines out and the roads will start to dry, won't they? Yeah. There's a beach, John. Black sheep. Or the goats. Are they goats or sheep? They're goats, aren't they? Or are they sheep? I don't know. It's nice, isn't it? There. Imagine the summertime down there having a barbie at night. Alright, stopping here, guys. There's a couple of photo shots. That's an impressive mountain. It's funny the way they just sort of come out of nowhere, don't they? Fourth gear, first time today. Makes it a bit easier with this nice tarmac. No gravel. Yeah. No, we're still going north at the moment. Yeah, but when we get to Inverness, that's when we basically go east. Wow. But how many times I said wow this bike trip so far? Look over there in the distance. Even 11 o'clock's awesome. The way the road, see the way the road just finds its way through. Look at that. Stelvio. Get ready for the view when you come round, gents. It's like it's a good job it's slow because it gives you a chance to take it in. Are you with us? Are you with us, gents? Yeah. Hell of a view, innit? Again and again and again. First gear down here, gents. Inverness 36, Tongue 66. Yeah, go. Yeah, I've got to say, when we came out of Lochinver, it was NC500 and we haven't come off that road, have we? Yeah, I haven't heard much about that today, John. Are you still happy with it? Is it still doing its stuff, is it? A bit of rhythm back into the bike after that last pet section. Now, we're going to try and skirt round this weather, are we, do you think? I think we might do. Oh, it's a biker! Biker! That's the first biker we've seen, third bike. What was that? Was that an MT10? Yeah, definitely at the top now. How many miles to Inverness now? Must be about 5 or 6 miles surely, wouldn't it? Okay, so we're going to go to Cocoa Mountain, or Cafe Cocoa Mountain. So, famous. Yeah, when you come down, we're going to go left. We're going to go to the famous chocolate cafe. So here we are at the famous Cocoa Mountain. What happened there? Wow, look at the colour, like turquoise. Oh, there's a beach. Scotland. This is cool. We are at Inverness Beach. Guys trying to surf there, just come off. And that is north, so there's nothing other than, I suppose, the Arctic. Bypassing Iceland. That way, east. John of Groats, which is where I'm going. And that way is west to America. What a beautiful spot. Right, off to John of Groats via Tongue. You can say we've been to the northernmost tip of the UK mainland. Yeah, it's nice, wasn't it? I loved at the end where she poured the dark and the white chocolate onto it. Look at that view. Wow, isn't that gorgeous? As I said, I did say all this north coast, this bit's... Oh wow. Oh yeah. Go on, John, we'll pay you. Go. We'll strap you to the bike and send both of you down. Isn't that cool? You gonna watch someone go down? Yeah, here they go. Yeah, there she goes. Hey! Shit. Okay, let's go. There's a lot of travel on that suspension, John. I'm looking at it. It must go up 5-6 inches. Yeah, right into your bottom. Yeah, it really is working. That looks like a causeway, doesn't it? Man-made causeway. And again, the fish farm. Do you see where that fish farm where there's the actual boat and there's the two big pipes going to the actual nets? That's where they just suck the fish up and process them on the boat, yeah. Yeah, like or prison or ammunitions or something. Yeah. I know. Oh, here we are.
John of Groats. Always wanted to get here on my bucket list, and I've done it. Happy days. I'm well chuffed. Nice little spot. Everyone's queuing up to get their photographs taken. Everyone's being very friendly and taking them for each other. There's the bikes. The bikes have been awesome. Bikes have been brill. So I think the plan is to get a coffee, have a chill, get down to Inverness for the night. Anyway, speak to you all soon. Cheers. Bye bye. So that's us leaving John of Groats, heading down to Inverness. There it is, this is on the left. Yeah. It looks like fucking two fucking right. Happy fucking days. Is it? Oh, we're short. Oh, people are in there. Oh, bro. Right, park it. Bike's here.
So if you go round the back of the hotel, you park your bikes in the back, they're a bit safer there.
Brilliant.
Safer anyway, but
Where's the front door?
yeah, just not so busy yesterday. I don't think we could hear the phones.
Okay. Can you sort something out for us?
Sort something out, yeah.